Hello everyone, I am Mayank and welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting and insightful comparison lined up for you as we dive into the world of AI language models. So in this video, we will be exploring two of the most advanced and talked about AI models, Claude 3 and GPT-4. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, these models have become pivotal in various applications, from content creation and customer service to complex problem solving and beyond. So Claude 3, known for its innovative approach and unique feature. Claude 3 Opus is the latest iteration in the Claude series, while ChatGPT-4, developed by OpenAI, has been making waves with its powerful capabilities and impressive performance. So we will be examining their natural language understanding, generation quality, and how they handle their different tasks. So additionally, we will discuss their strength and weakness, giving you a clear picture of what each model excels at and where they might fall short. So whether you are an AI enthusiast, a developer looking to integrate AI into your projects, or simply curious about the latest advancement in technology, so this video is for you. So by end of this comparison, you will be having comprehensive understanding of how Claude 3 and GPT-4 differ and which one might be the best fit for you and for your specific needs. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the fascinating world of AI language models.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
So before we jump into the demo, here is a quick info for you. If you want to learn AI and ML, then try Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and machine learning from Purdue University in collaboration with IBM. This course teaches in-demand skills such as machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, reinforcement learning, generative AI, prompt engineering, ChatGPT, and many more. So don't forget to check out the course link from the description box and pin comment. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is OpenAI platform. So here you can read about ChatGPT APIs, about the ChatGPT APIs. Okay. So this is the original documentation of the ChatGPT-4. And here you can see the Anthropic. So Claude is developed by Anthropic company. So Claude is a family. So here you can see, so this Claude family have 2-3 version, Claude 3.5 Opus, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and 3.5 Haiku. Okay, and this is coming soon, as you can see. Okay, so here you can learn about all the families of Claude 3. Like we in ChatGPT, we have ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 4o. Okay, and ChatGPT 4o is a premium version. So here also Opus and Haiku is a premium version. Okay, so these you can learn about the APIs of these three. I repeat. So here you can learn about the APIs of the particular Opus family. Okay, so now let's jump into this. So here what we are doing, we are just comparing Claude 3.5 Sonnet to ChatGPT 4. Okay, so here you can see ChatGPT 4o, GPT-4 and GPT 3.5. Okay, so what here I will do, I will give some prompts to ChatGPT 4 and the same prompt to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Okay, so now after that we will check which model is giving the information fast, or you can say who is breaking down the information in a good proper manner. Okay, so there are 4 to 5 categories I selected. Okay, in this first category is factual inquiries, then complex scientific and technical prompts, and creative writing. Then we'll ask some mathematical and complex logical queries, or we can ask some data analysis question and some generating imaging questions like this. Okay, so after that we will give some prompt and check which model is giving the fast and the accurate answer. Okay, so here the first category is the factual inquiries. So here I will write share some interesting facts about the Great Wall of China. Okay, Okay, so here, as you can see, here are some interesting facts about the Great of China, like this. Okay, so and the last, it is saying, ki, would you like me to elaborate on any of these points or share more facts? Okay, so you can ask the particular point to be more elaborate. So same, we will copy here, copy this and paste it here. Okay, then enter. Okay, so here you can see Chat GPT is giving long answer as compared to the Claude 3. Okay, just see first what Chat GPT does. Chat GPT explains what is Great of, I repeat, what is Great Wall of China. Okay, so Great Wall of China is the most iconic landmarks in the world, rich and historical significance, and this. And after that, it wrote, here are some interesting facts about the monumental structure. So in this Claude, you can check, it is directly giving some interesting facts. Okay, so here I can see, okay, I can vote for the ChatGPT basically. Okay, now let's move to our second category, which is complex scientific and the technical prompts. Okay, so here first I will write here, describe the process of nuclear fusion and its potential benefits over nuclear fusion. Okay, press enter. Okay, so even I don't know the process of nuclear fusion. Okay, just I write because I want to make the prompt more complex, so that's why I write the nuclear fusion and all. Okay, so same we will copy here. Okay, so now if we will see, okay, first is it telling the process, then benefits of nuclear fission. Okay, it's writing more. Okay, maybe the process is like long, I don't know. And here it is giving some drawbacks. Okay, first benefits, then drawbacks. Okay, now that after that the summary part. Okay, so here as you can see, okay, what Claude 3 gave is like, I believe there may be small error in your question. You asked about the benefits of nuclear fusion over nuclear fusion. Okay, which is the same process. I think you meant to ask about the benefits of nuclear fusion over nuclear fission. So I will explain nuclear fusion and compare it to nuclear fission. Oh, nice. Here, what ChatGPT does, it automatically took that process. Okay, it is also telling the same thing. Nice. Then nuclear fusion, the process, then benefit. Okay. So Claude 3 gave only the benefit, and but the ChatGPT gave the drawbacks as well, which is a good thing. Okay. And in ChatGPT, that process is not properly displayed, but in Claude 3, the properly is displayed by the step by step. Okay, which is again a good thing. So now let's jump into our next prompt or category, you can say, which is a creative writing. So here I will write, compose a short story about a time traveler visiting ancient Egypt. Okay, I will copy this for the ChatGPT as well. Okay, Egypt. Okay, the same I will paste it here. So Claude 3 is giving, here is a short story about a time traveler visiting ancient Egypt. So the timekeeper's gambit. Okay, Dr. Amelia Frost adjusted her chronometer as a swirling vortex dispersed around her. Means Claude 3 is using, you can say, heavy English. And okay, it's a good story. I get the sand of time. First of all, ChatGPT gave the title as the sand of time. So in the year 2492, time travel had just breached the bounds of the theoretical science and moved on to the practical. Okay, nice. We're still writing. Okay, and the small story dressed in the simple line and robes. Okay, I think here also I like the story of ChatGPT 4 as compared to Claude, because it's hard to read and understand. You can say see some of the word gesticulating and these. Okay, and here ChatGPT is using easy words. Okay, so now let's move to the our next category, which is complex mathematical and logical queries. So here I will write prove the Pythagorean theorem and explain each step. Okay, okay, so let me copy this and paste it here as well. Okay, so first ChatGPT will tell what is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, the fundamental relation in Euclidean geometry among the three sides of right triangle. It is state that this. Then the proof rearrangement method. Okay, first it will construct the right triangle, then four copies of the triangle arrange into a square, then this, then this, then this. Okay, so here what it does. Certainly, I will prove the Pythagorean theorem and explain each step of the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, it's also good. ABC. Okay. A square plus B square is equal to C square. Okay. So here Claude 3 is giving more perfect answer as compared to ChatGPT, because I can't understand why is arranging into a square and internal square formation. So here, see, simply explain. Let us say label opposite triangle A, B, C. Okay, simple. And making, I think ChatGPT is making it more complex, okay, rather than Claude 3. So here I can give vote to Claude 3. Okay, so now we will do some category data analysis. So first I will upload some data. Okay, then here I will write determine the most profitable quarter for ABC company and forecast potential sales for the next year based on historical data. Okay, from this data. Okay, first I will copy this. See, to determine the product. Okay, first I will do it here also. Okay, upload from computer. Okay, so first we will check. To find the most profitable quarter, I will calculate the average sales for each quarter across all the years. Okay, if you guys want to see the data, let me open for you. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, this is the ABC company sales data. Okay, so this data also I generated from the same, right? Okay, so forecast. Okay, so now it's calculating. So we will see whether our answers are same or not. Okay, so here you can see the most profitable quarter for ABC company is Q4 as per the Claude 3. Okay, now we will check the most profitable quarter for the ABC company is quarter 4. Okay, for the same with an average sales of figures of $194,000. Here it is showing $192,000 in sale. Okay, we'll check later. So looking forward to the full company next year, assuming the continuation of current trend, approximately 3,655,000. Okay, here we will check. It is giving us, okay, based on history, we can forecast potential sales for 2024. Okay, it's giving the different facts. So even I don't know which is the right facts or not. Okay, but as you can see, the most profitable quarter for the ABC company based on the average sales data is Q4. Okay, the figures are different maybe, but the profitable quarter for the ABC company is the same, Q4. So now moving forward, let's do next category, like solving philosophical and ethical problems. Okay, so I will add, is it ever ethical to lie? Discuss with examples. Okay, here I will write the same. Okay, so it is saying the question whether it is ethical to lie is a complex one that has been debated by philosophers, enthusiasts, and culture theorists for the centuries. Okay, so it's giving you some few examples to consider. Okay, what about Claude 3? Claude 3, the ethics of lying is a complex and nuanced topic that philosopher has debated for a century. So means they are giving me the same answers, but in a different format. Okay, they are taking different examples. Okay, first Claude 3 is explaining first and then taking example. But here, as you can see in ChatGPT 4, it taking the particular situation and giving it the example, protecting someone from harm, privacy concern, example. Third example is preventing unnecessary distress. Fourth example is this. Fifth example is negotiation and strategy. After that discussion, this is the conclusion. So I can see ChatGPT is giving me more, structured way. I can see. So I can give the vote to ChatGPT 4 here. Okay. So now let's generate some images. So I will write here create. So this is our next category, generating images. Create a visual representation of a futuristic city with sustainable or with flying cars. Flying cars. Okay. So first I will copy it and I will paste it here. Okay. GPT-4 is generating image. Okay. So here you can see, I apologize, but I am not able to create, generate, edit, manipulate or product images. I can. Okay. So here you can see maybe Claude 3.5 Sonnet won't generate image. Maybe you have to subscribe. Okay. So here, as you can see, you can create a visual representation of a futuristic city with flying cars. So here, as you can see, again Claude 3 have a drawback. It can't generate the images, but ChatGPT 4 can generate images. Okay. And even you can download this image. Yeah. So now last category, whether can give me explain the code from the example, from the photo. Here explain the code from the picture. Okay. So here you can see the code of the image. Simple Java program designed to determine if a number entered by the user is even or odd, right? Exactly, you can see the picture, even or odd program. Okay, so here you can see it is explaining line by line here, GPT-4. And okay, the answer is right, but explaining method is wrong. Not exactly wrong, but it's difficult to understand. Okay, the program period, enter a number, okay, blah 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 this. But ChatGPT is giving a proper line by line explanation. Okay, I can say in my perception, the ChatGPT 4 is far better than ChatGPT 3.5 Sonnet. But in future, we will compare pro version with pro version. Means Claude Haiku versus ChatGPT 4.0 or maybe 5.0 in upcoming years. So with this, we have come to end of this video. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Our team of experts will help you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.